Are you a coach, consultant, or a trainer? Are you struggling to make your social media post, grow your followers, and make a business out of it? Do you feel hiring a graphic designer is much expensive to make your regular social media post? And do you want to make your own social media post but don't know where to start and what to do? Well, no worry guys, we are here to help you out. You can save up to 30,000 per month to 3,60,000 a year. Join our WhatsApp Masterclass, Master Canva, and other content creation strategies. Here you'll learn what type of content to post to keep your audience engaged with you and how to make your own social media post using Canva. Along with our exciting giveaways, you'll be having your 30 days of social media post completely made by you, ready to go live. How exciting is that, guys? Click on the link below, register to the masterclass, and I'll see you soon.